Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme C25Y to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bar. Now type Send Anywhere and install this app. Then open it. Following that, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Oh, sorry misclick. Then choose receive on an Android and send on this Realme. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one song, choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Wait for it to focus. And then wait. And as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!